We hear sounds everywhere. Sounds like beautiful music and songs can make us feel comfortable and relaxed. However, sounds from busy traffic, and airplanes taking off, are disturbing. How are these sounds produced? When we strum a guitar, a sound is heard. Do you know how the guitar produces a sound? If you watch the strings of the guitar closely, you will see that the strings vibrate when they produce a sound. If you touch the strings to make them still, you hear no sound. Let's carry out the following experiment to learn more about sound production.
In this experiment, we're going to study how to produce sound. Hold a plastic ruler on the bench so that about 10 centimeters of the ruler hangs out from the bench. Press down on the free end of the ruler slightly and let go. We can hear a sound. It is because the ruler vibrates up and down to make a sound. Press the ruler a bit harder this time and let go. The sound produced gets louder than before. From the results, we can know the sound gets louder when the ruler is pressed harder. Vary the length of the ruler that hangs out from the bench. Repeat the steps. The pitch of the sound produced gets lower when the length of the ruler that hangs out from the bench increases. The pitch of the sound produced gets higher when the length of the ruler that hangs out from the bench decreases. From the results, we can know the pitch gets higher when the length of the ruler that hangs out decreases. Hit a tuning fork against a rubber stopper. Stand the tuning fork on a tuning fork stand. We can hear a sound. After hitting against a rubber stopper, the prongs of the tuning fork vibrate slightly. Touch the prongs of the tuning fork lightly. We can feel the prongs are vibrating. Hit a tuning fork against a rubber stopper and fix it on a tuning fork stand. Touch one prong of the tuning fork with a ping-pong ball hung by a thread. The ping-pong ball vibrates. Half fill a basin with water. Allow the water to become steady. Hit a tuning fork against a rubber stopper. Touch the water surface with one prong of the tuning fork. Some ripples, that is, waves of water produced on the water surface. They are caused by the vibration of water. From the results, we can know sound is produced by the vibration of objects.
A sound is produced when an object vibrates. All sound sources have a part that vibrates, such as the vocal cords in our voice box, the free end of a ruler, the prongs of a tuning fork, and the strings of a guitar.